Uh, so, Hi everyone. A very, very good evening to all of you. So, I'm back again with a very, very interesting topic, and I would like to ask some of the questions with you all. So, ask yourself: Are you the only one who is suffering from any of the problem? Like if I'll talk about problem, so obviously if I'll talk about crisis, then every one of us do suffer from one or different problem or different crisis. Like if I'll talk about the coronavirus, the whole world is suffering from the same. But the question is, are we the real only one who is suffering from a problem? So if I'll talk about, uh, let's just say, what it will take for us to today, it will make us tougher tomorrow. So tell me something. If I'll change a word problem with a word situation, doesn't that make a right sense? Obviously. So the God has given us so many messages. Like if I'll talk about situation, if I'll talk about obviously in 1947 when India and Pakistan has so much to overcome across, and they have fight a lot, but obviously people has came across, and every situation will come with one or other benefits, and but we need to be stronger. So today I will be covering a very important book which says tough time never lasts, but tough people do. So let's just take a life example. Author has a very beautiful saying: obviously problem will come to only to the living beings, not to the dead bodies, and that is very true. If I'll ask you, have you ever seen any person who has no problem? Have you ever seen any person who is on life can really answer me if you have seen any person with no problem or no such situation in their life? So um, I hope you are going through your mind and just thinking of ki, yes, Yashika is actually right. Like we all have problems, but we always come across all those problems. So the question is not the problem. The question is how we used to overcome from those problems. So there was five, six scenarios. I will be covering all those scenarios today with short examples. So one is every human being has a problem. Let's just take an example of APJ Abdul Kalam. He has a problem. He wanted to go in the other academy. He wanted to go in the airspace, but he landed up where he become a scientist, which he never wanted to be. So but that time if he think about like no yaar, I really wanted to go that side only. I don't want it to be a scientist. So the person he was, uh, he never become that person. He if he thought of no, this is the thing which God has given me, and with the very beautiful message that I might be the right person for this. So he has overcome his all things. If I'll talk about the second solution, which is every problem has a limited lifespan. Like obviously in the past time also so many crises has came up. If I'll talk about 2008, if I'll talk about 2002, if I'll talk about 1947, the biggest crisis, if I'll talk about the emergency, if I'll talk about the tsunami, if I'll talk about anything, so everything will come with a very limited lifespan. It's always about how we tackle those things. It's always about how we potentially come out. Now if I'll talk about the coronavirus, everyone making themselves a healthier person, eating good food in their home, spending very lovely time with the family. So this is a very bad situation which we have overcome and make it a very good time to to actually remember whole our life. And we'll go in the future time, and if I'll tell my children ki baby ऐसा हुआ था कोरोना वायरस, I will actually laugh in all those situations. Ki actually, me all those situation has came across, and we have overcome. And now I never cooked, cake, and this time I tried cooking the cake also. So you have to really find out the funny part in those problems. You have to find out your potential, what you can do, because every problem will come up very little lifespan. So if I'll talk about a very short story, So there was a Raja and he has three sons. So he asked everyone to go and see, a pea tree. So in a different areas, in a different atmosphere. So everyone went and they have seen, one of the person came up and he said, oh बहुत बुरा ट्री था, वो तो उगा ही नहीं हुआ था, उसमें तो कुछ भी नहीं था. द अनदर चाइल्ड सेड, ओ वो तो बहुत हरा भरा था, बट उसपे पीस नहीं थे, नाशपाती नहीं थी. एंड द थर्ड वन सेड, अरे यार तुम दोनों गलत बोल रहे हो, मैंने जो देखा है उसमें तो मतलब पियर भी था और बहुत अच्छी अच्छी नाशपाती थी, इवन मैंने तोड़ के उसको खाया भी. इट वॉज रियली अ वेरी गुड ट्री. तुम लोग कहाँ चले गए, तुम लोग तो लायक नहीं ही नहीं हो किसी चीज के, एंड ऑल दो स्टफ. तो दे स्टार्टेड फाइटिंग. तब राजा ने एक बहुत अच्छी बात बोली एंड ही सेड कि आप तीनों जो गए थे, यू ऑल थ्री आर गुड, you whatever you are saying is very good and right also, but the only thing is you all went in a very different situation, in a very different atmosphere. जब आप गए थे, जब ट्री बिल्कुल स्टार्ट हो रहा था, मतलब वो अपनी प्रोडक्शन टाइम में था, and when the second person came, that tree become in the second level, मतलब उसमें पीस आनी स्टार्ट हुई थी, बीज स्टार्ट हुए थे, and when third person came, तो उसमें पीस आ चुके थे. तो इट्स ऑलवेज अबाउट कि आप किस सिचुएशन में लाइफ स्पैम को देख रहे हो. If I'll talk about the third situation, which is every problem or every situation hold a positive possibility. So I have already covered about the coronavirus. If I'll talk about the positivity, so if I'll talk about, like, I never came across the live session. Now I'm coming live in front of so many people. So it is very positive for myself. If I'll talk about back in in my times or in any person's time, if I'll talk about Amitabh Bachchan, so he is the celebrity which we know, but if I'll talk about 90s, so he lost everything. उसका money चला गया था, उसका health अच्छा नहीं था, उसकी family में obviously nobody was there to support him. He lost everything. But उसने एक बहुत छोटे से serial से start किया, which is कौन बनेगा करोड़पति, and now he is one of the leading person in that age. Nobody actor is competing him. So he came out with a very positive thing from that problem which he faced in that time. Like when he lost everything, now he has everything, came back from that particular problem. If I talk about the Ambani family, so Anil Ambani, he's one of the very famous person, and now he has nothing. I don't want you to degrade anyone. It's just, you have to come across the problem, but you have to find a positive solution and the outcome of that problem. Then only you will become the person you wanted to become. If I talk about the fourth example, like अगर if I'm traveling somewhere and I lost मेरा कार का पंचर हो गया है, so that is a very big problem for me कि मैं मीटिंग के लिए जा रही हूँ और मेरी कार का पंचर हो गया. But if I talk in a very different way, that is the income source for a person to whom I'll reach and ask him to मेरा पेंचर मेरी कार का पेंचर ठीक करने के लिए. That will be a income source for that person. If I'll talk about मेरे को कुछ हो गया है, like मेरा accident हो गया है, and if I'll go to the hospital, for me that was a problem, but for that doctor that was a solution. He will give me the solution and he will earn money for that, and that is a income source for that doctor. So every problem you have to think a very positive way. So if I'll talk about the fourth issue, every problem will change you. Obviously, जब आप उस problem को positively handle कर रहे हो, तो you will come out with the best person you are right now. So, बहुत many of the people during the times they used to, if I'll talk about our Rohtak city where I do live. So few years back, because of there was a very bad situation. Everyone, the uh, that बहुत पूरा जल गया था रोहतक, एंड देयर वाज सो मेनी क्राइसिस, सो मेनी फाइट्स एंड ऑल दो स्टफ वाज गोइंग ऑन. बट अभी के टाइम पे इफ आई टॉक अबाउट रोहतक, इट वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सिटी इन होल हरियाणा. जबकि उस टाइम पे वो पूरा रोहतक जल चुका था, देयर वाज नथिंग लेफ्ट, and people were crying. They were saying we don't have money, how we'll do it, और हमारा business सब कुछ खत्म हो चुका है. But if I'll talk about that time and now, it one become so many showrooms have opened, there was a mall, and everything has reconnected, and everyone is so happy, like their business and their stuff was actually growing up now also. So you have to really find out the change from a problem you will get. So the last point which I would like to cover is, you change what the problem will change you. If you change the problem, obviously the problem will change you. Like there was the two circles I have read in Seven Habits of Highly Effective People: circle of concern and circle of influence. So we always, concern about कि यार लोग क्या कहेंगे, what will people say about us, आज तो बहुत गर्मी है, आज तो बहुत ठंड है. But I just have one question from all of you who is watching my video. So, can we do something about the atmosphere? अभी इतना बड़ा सुनामी आया है कोलकाता में, and different parts of India. Can we really control those things? Can we control what other person think about us? We really can't control those things. So why we have to concern on those areas? Can we control the coronavirus? क्या हम उसको, पूरी दुनिया नहीं रोक पाई तो हम तो उसको कहाँ से रोक पाएंगे? इट्स जस्ट कि हम लोगों को, इंस्टेड ऑफ focusing on the concern or the problem, we have to focus on the things which we can control, which is the circle of influence. I can control myself. I can be at home safe and healthy. I can eat healthy and all those stuff, but I can't control the coronavirus. I can't control the tsunami. I can't control what, आज बहुत गर्मी है. What I can do is I can switch on the AC. I can switch on the fan if I'm feeling like the weather is very hot. That's what I can do, which is under my control. But I really can't control the things which is out of my control. I can't change the weather. I can't, really work on those areas. So why we need to focus on the problem? We need to actually focus and focus on the influence what we can do. So that is my fifth point, and I would like to end with a very short saying, and with the question mark, and with one exercise. Just go and sit for quite some time and write down all the problems in the past which you have faced and you have overcome now, and I'm very sure you will have a very beautiful smile on your face. अच्छा ये हुआ था और अब ये हो रहा है. अच्छा अब मैं ऐसी थी पहले, या मैं ऐसा था पहले और मैं अब ऐसा बन गया. वाओ. मतलब जो भी प्रॉब्लम आता है उस टाइम पे हम बहुत अजीब रिएक्ट करते हैं. जब हम उसको ओवरकम कर लेते हैं, द पर्सन वी बिकम, एंड व्हेनेवर वी थॉट लेटर ऑन अबाउट दैट प्रॉब्लम, obviously that will give a very ब्यूटीफुल स्माइल ऑन आवर फेस. कई बार तो हम बहुत हंसते हैं, अच्छा ऐसा कुछ भी हुआ था, ओ हो, हम बहुत, एंड वी डोंट रियलाइज जब हम उस प्रॉब्लम में होते हैं कि हाउ टू एक्चुअली रिएक्ट on those problem or the situation. So I will end my talk with the short saying: just remove the word problem with the word situation, and I'm really sure that your life will have a beautiful change. So just stay happy, stay calm, and thank you so much for always encouraging me to come up and motivate me for all your with all your love. So just stay connected. If you like my video, if you like my talk, if you have any suggestion for me, do come back, do comment me, or just give me a call personally, or just drop me a message. I would really encourage and appreciate all your efforts. So thank you so much, and just stay happy, stay calm, and love you all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.